Hi, this is Dana with my final vlog for this class. Let's see, like many, I think the most challenging thing about this activity was probably time management. And I didn't get to the painting of my project, which was a model building, but I did, well, almost. I'm going to finish it right here, the completion of it, building it. I'd mentioned in earlier postings that this activity was something that only my father and my brothers participated in. But I find that it doesn't feel particularly masculine to me. It seems to me that it was more about how my father tried to create special activities with my brothers around the things that he most enjoyed. That I didn't get to participate in, and that was really more the issue. But while participating in this activity, I mostly felt very nostalgic and longed for more understanding with my father, who is deceased, that he and I had been able to build the kind of connections and ties that he had with my brothers. And I think that was the greatest insight I had from this project, is the way that we allow and disallow participation is not just about the activity itself, but about the relational tethers that we make when we build those things with our co-participants. When we narrow that, I feel like we lose out on the breadth of potential connection. I mentioned in my last post that I don't think I'd continue this particular activity, although I might do something very similar, because I like how you kind of lose yourself in it because it's so detailed and focused. I think what most surprised me, though, is that I realized that the more challenging cross-gendered project for me would actually be to do something, I think, more distinctly feminine. Because of my body size, I find myself more challenged by deeply feminine activities, since I'm most often not considered like normal for my gender and I'm excluded because of it. And I thought about tap dancing that I did as a child, and I think I might choose something like that as an adult, with the tensions of doing something cross-gendered would be more actually intense in that way. So that's my project, and so here's my model that I built with all the landing gear, and everything was pretty intense. And I just have one piece left, so I'm going to do it here with you, which is my propeller. And voila. I feel pretty proud. It has a lot of detail in it that I worked on, the landing gear and things. I still am going to paint it, but that's going to be a pretty time-consuming project and outside of my best skill set. So anyways, I'm happy that you get to see a little bit of my project and what I did with it. But thanks for listening.